Hello, my name is Ellie, and today I will be teaching you about math proportionality and how to solve a table like this. So first you want to label your units, x and y, and this will always be the case. And now, you always want to divide your y by x, because k equals y divided by x. K is your constant proportionality. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Therefore, making 2 your K, your constant proportionality. Therefore, the table is proportional. This is because when you divide y by x, every time you do it, you get 2, because it's constant. But if it was 11 divided by 6 would be your y divided by x, that would be a decimal like 1.8 or something like that, which doesn't make it constant because there's a change in the pattern. So for this part, I'm going to show you how to label a graph and basically just how to tell if it's proportional or not. So you're going to label the top part y, because the top is the y, and then you're going to label the bottom your x. So now you're going to take your y and your x, and you're going to put it right here and here. So since this is your y, you're going to label it x. And since your x is nests, you're going to go down here and label this nest. Now let's label. Rebecca, is this graph proportional?
No, because as you can tell, it's not a straight line. And also, it doesn't go through 0, 0, which is the point of origin.
Another reason that this graph might not be proportional, other than the line, is because it is not positive. Because the numbers right here are negative. It doesn't matter if it's the x or the y. If any numbers are negative, then it is not proportional, even if the line is straight and goes through the point of origin. So now, if you take away these negative signs, making it positive, and make a straight line that goes through the point of origin and is positive, what does that make this graph? Proportional. That is what makes this table proportional and what makes it non-proportional, and how you use your labels. For the table, that is also what makes the table proportional, because the numbers are constant. And don't forget, k equals y divided by x. Have a grand old time. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And now everyone knows that 2 divided by 1 is... Ew, this marker is so ugly! What the heck? Miriam, grow up about that. No, because 2...
It's proportional.
Okay, so Rebecca, is this graph proportional?
No, because it...
Rebecca, is this graph proportional?
No, I thought you were talking about
Another reason that this graph is not proportional, but if this graph was in the negatives, it would have another reason that it is not proportional, another reason this graph might not be proportional is because of the negative signs before the numbers, which means that it is not
Okay, let's go. Why do you have so many things?
So that is why this graph is now proportional, and what made it not proportional, and how to label it.